Today, by the grant of Allah Almighty, I have got an opportunity to deliver speech on the topic of Siratun Nabi. Dear audience, Sirat is an Arabic word which corresponds or related to attributes. Siratun Nabi means the qualities and habits of our Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He is the most beloved personality ever created, the pride of humanity, the mercy to the world, the greatest of all Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The greatness of Mustafa is beyond human imagination. His life is living examples of patience, kindness, sacrifice and justice. Dear respected audience, his character was so pure that even before the prophethood, his people called him Al-Sadiq and Al-Amin. तारीख अगर ढूंढेगी